I have a question for you. What is black and white and loved all over? It's an APQS Lenni quilting machine. Let's give one away today.
Hello?
Hi, is this Kelly?
It is.
Hey Kelly, this is Dawn Cavanaugh with APQS Quilting Systems.
Hi.
Hi, I have some news for you.
What's that?
You've entered our APQS giveaway and you have won an APQS Lenni.
There's no way.
Yeah, there is.
Are you kidding me?
Not kidding.
I've entered that sucker for years now.
It's paid off.
I think I might cry.
Yeah, you're the grand winner of a Lenni valued at $12,700.
Oh my goodness. Huh. I have no words, really.
Well, I'm excited for you. It sounds like you're going to be happy too. Are you a quilter, I assume?
Well, I'm a quilter, but my thing is hand quilting. I have a friend who machine quilts, and she machine quilts for other people. I mean, it's her business. So I'm certain she will be on board to help me out.
How wonderful. That's so exciting. Well, congratulations, Kelly.
All right. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Tell you what, Monday we'll have our team get a hold of you if you're around, and we'll make all the arrangements to get Lenni to you.
All right.
Congratulations. So happy for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Another quilter is going to learn all about how fast she can get her quilts done now that she's got an APQS long arm, and Lenni is going to be just right to get her started. Be sure to enter our contest next time. Who knows? We might be calling you.